Apple's iPhone 16 and 16 Pro will be available for pre-order this Friday, September 13th, releasing on September 20th. We are going to take a look at a first hands-on look at the phones here, all right? Now, this isn't my video. I'm just showing you someone, Marquise Brownlee. If you don't know who Marquise Brownlee is by now, then hey, it is what it is. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, once we reach 7,000 subscribers, we are going to do a $100 giveaway. Go ahead and sub up for me, man. Help a brother out, all right? So without further ado, let's get on into the video. All right, so here is a hands-on look of the iPhone 16s. Now, this is like that bluish, purplish color that I was talking about. If you don't know who Marquise Brownlee is, that's who's reviewing the actual hands-on footage of the phone. But it looks pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm kind of liking the camera setup on this. It just feels different and it looks different. I said feels like I can actually feel the phone, but it looks a little different, right? At least from the 15 to the 16, it at least has some differences. For example, the camera and the new camera button that they added on there. So that is pretty cool. And of course, new colors like the turquoise. I think that's the only, in this bluish color, this bluish purple color. And then, of course, we have our 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. Now, I just want to go and say this and put this out here. If you have a 15 Pro, I don't know if it's worth it to jump from a 15 Pro to a 16 Pro unless you really just want that color, the new color, which is a dumb reason to get the next phone. And trust me, this is coming from a person that is involved in the phone industry, okay? So going from the 15 Pro to the 16 Pro is a very dumb upgrade. If I'm just being all the way honest, not being a salesman, not whatever, it is a dumb upgrade. The only reason I can understand you doing it is if you can get the 16 Pro for free. So for example, with T-Mobile, on their next plan, as long as you're on the next plan, you can trade in the phone that you had previously. So right now it'd be the 15 Pro and get the 16 Pro for free. I do think that's probably the only time I would upgrade is if you have the yearly upgrade option on your plan. Otherwise, if you're adding a new line and you're getting 1,000 off, or there's just an upgrade deal where you can get 1,000 off for trading in your phone, that's probably the only time I would say, okay, I can understand you doing it. But other than that, it's just not worth it. It's really not worth it to go from a 15 Pro to a 16 Pro. Like, it's just so not. You only are adding on the camera button, and of course the camera's gonna get better. That's pretty much what they update every time on the phones. They have the AI thing on all phones, so the 15s right now have the AI thing, so you're not missing out on that. Like I said, better camera, the camera button. I think that's really the major, and the bigger screen, that's what it is. You'll get a 6.3 screen, and the bezels are a lot smaller, I guess. But other than that, it is not worth it to go from a 15 Pro to a 16 Pro. This is just me being so honest with you. Save yourself that money. If you really want to just get the new phone because you gotta have it and you're just one of those people that go from the next phone to the next phone, then I get it. Like for me, I'm that guy. I have to have the newest iPhone that comes out and the Pro model because I test the camera, I make videos. So if you're using it for content and you just want a better camera and everything like that, 1,000% understand doing it. No problem with that, because that's me. I get it every year, but I'm always getting a deal on my phone. I'm never upgrading and I'm not getting a deal, okay? That being said, the watch, the Ultra 2 watch. Now, in my situation, I have an Apple Watch 7. Do I need the new watch? No, I don't need the new watch. I've just been wanting a new watch, so I'm going to get a new watch. I'm going to trade in my 7 watch, which I don't want to give it up because it is the red one, and I love the red watch. But I don't want to give it up, but I'm going to give it up because I want the Ultra. The black Ultra is so nice. And I did say in my early video, if they released a black Ultra, that I would be getting my hands on that. So we can start pre-ordering those. Besides on the Apple website, we can start pre-ordering those this Friday the 13th on the carrier's website. So you'll be able to pre-order the black one this Friday. Right now, you can pre-order them on the Apple website. Okay? AirPods, I'm not going to go over the AirPods. They're AirPods. They are cheaper now. You know, they have noise cancellation at a cheaper price. That's kind of the basics of that. And I didn't mention the Apple Watch 10, bigger screen, Nothing too crazy. You know, if you don't have an Apple Watch, honestly, I suggest getting the SE watch. I don't even think it's worth it to get the numbers or the Ultra unless you have a valid reason for I'm hard on my watch, then get the Ultra, or you really just want all the special features that it comes with. But honestly, I think most people, all you need is an SE. You don't need that. You don't need to have the 10 or the Ultra or any of that stuff. So, all right. But I know I was rambling on a lot. I'm just trying to help you guys be realistic with purchasing the next iPhone, because I see it all the time. I work with this all the time. And I'm telling you guys, it's definitely not worth it. They didn't do enough upgrades to this phone to say, hey, I need to get the new 16 or 16 Pro. All right? So tell me, guys, which color and which model you guys are getting. And tell me what phone you currently have. That's it. Let me know what colors you guys are picking up. Scoofy here. I'm grabbing the Desert Titanium, and I'm also going to get the Black Ultra watch. And I'm going to get the Pro for my wife. She wants the 16 Pro Max, so I'm going to get that one for her. But that's it. Scoofy here. Make sure you guys subscribe, because I'm giving away $100 once we reach 7,000 subscribers. Like this video if you like it, and I'm out.